The Wicklow Mountains, a breathtaking expanse of natural beauty located just south of Dublin, invite travelers to immerse themselves in a world of captivating landscapes, outdoor adventures, and serene tranquility. This rugged range, known as the Garden of Ireland, is a haven for nature enthusiasts and explorers, offering a diverse array of activities that cater to every kind of wanderer. Hikers and outdoor adventurers are drawn to the Wicklow Mountains like pilgrims to a sanctuary. The region boasts an intricate network of trails that wind through heather-clad moorlands, lush forests, and along cascading waterfalls. The iconic Wicklow Way, Ireland's oldest long-distance walking trail, meanders through this terrain, providing hikers with a multi-day journey that unveils some of the most spectacular vistas the country has to offer. The striking Glendalough Valley, with its two serene lakes cradled by rolling hills, is a highlight along this trail, offering a glimpse into a mystical landscape that once harbored a monastic settlement dating back to the 6th century. For those in search of elevated viewpoints, the Wicklow Mountains deliver in spades. The Sally Gap, a winding mountain pass, offers panoramic vistas that stretch across the landscape, while Loch Tay, often referred to as the Guinness Lake due to its distinct two-tone appearance, captivates with its beauty and serenity. The Wicklow Mountains also hold a rich cultural tapestry, woven through the stories of its people and historic sites. Powascourt Estate, with its opulent gardens and the grandeur of Powascourt House, presents a glimpse into the aristocratic life of yesteryears. The magnificent gardens, meticulously designed with terraces, fountains, and ornamental lakes, create a picturesque setting that harmonizes with the surrounding mountains. Wicklow's untamed beauty has also lured filmmakers, making it a backdrop for numerous movies and TV shows, further amplifying its allure. The film-famous Sally Gap, for instance, has become an iconic location that bridges reality and the magic of the silver screen. Outdoor enthusiasts are spoilt for choice as the Wicklow Mountains cater to a myriad of activities, from mountain biking along exhilarating trails to horseback riding through meadows and valleys. Anglers can cast their lines in pristine lakes and rivers, while birdwatchers are treated to a variety of avian species that call this region home. The Wicklow Mountains are not just a destination, they are an escape into nature's embrace, a sanctuary of serenity, and a symphony of landscapes that evoke awe and wonder. Whether hiking along windswept ridges, discovering hidden waterfalls, or simply breathing in the crisp mountain air, visitors are invited to forge a connection with a land that whispers tales of ancient times and offers solace in its rugged beauty.